Welcome and congratulations for accepting this 21-day meditation challenge. For the next 21 days, we are going to learn to meditate with Gurudev Sri Sri Ravi Shankar Ji. Meditation is a time-tested, ancient practice which works at the physical, the emotional, at the intellectual, at the spiritual level. At the physical level, all the stress hormones, the cortisol, the adrenaline, they are optimized, they are minimized. And the happy hormones, the dopamine, the oxytocin, serotonin, endorphins, they have a party inside. At the mental level, the thought patterns, they calm down. Now you get a clarity about decision making, about what to do in life. And our emotions stabilize. Our intellect becomes much more sharper. And there is a sense of oneness and well-being with everyone. It's easier to meditate in the beginning with guidance. And the way Gurudev guides us, the meditation becomes so much more effortless and fun. There are some rules for meditation, some do's and don'ts. What you need to do? First and foremost, how should one sit? One should sit in Sukhasana, in the cross-legged position. Or you can sit in Padmasana if you can, or Chairasana. Sit comfortably on a chair. Make sure that your back is fully rested, especially the lower back. So there is no gap between the lower back and the chair or the wall. Then we sit with our back and with our head erect. Shoulders taken back and down so that they are open. They are not hunched like that. Open up your shoulders and palms can be on your laps, open to the sky. Make sure that the body is softened, loose and relaxed. So you're not holding on to any tightness anywhere. Just let it relax. But during meditation, you may feel sometime that the head is dropping forward. That is okay if it is happening by itself. Whenever you become aware, you can gently straighten up and let go, relax. Meditation is not concentration. We may have read a lot of books or heard some speakers talk about this. Oh, you have to focus on some object or a candle without blinking. No, meditation is deconcentration. You totally relax and let go. Of course, the effect of meditation is concentration, but the process itself is that of letting go. So if the instruction is, think of an apple. You know what it means. You get an idea of what an apple is. But if we start analyzing, is the apple red or green, or is it big or small, has it come from Kashmir or California, then that is effort. And when there is effort, you cannot relax. Meditation becomes difficult. So being totally effortless, as the words come, you don't even have to listen intently. Listen gently, as if there is some music going on. The words, let them fall on your ears and you relax more and more. So welcome aboard the 21-day meditation challenge. See you on day 1.